No.
Dove it through. Oh, you missed.
Dang. It was a fast one. Little booger. Did a little shake and shiver. Yeah.
I think you missed again.
I'm telling you, I nicked it. Where all the dove at anyways?
You missed, Ira.
Dadgummit. Did you see him? It's like he knew it was coming. And so he did a little wing slope, whoop, and then a whoop, and I missed.
4 o'clock.
Whoop.
You missed again.
Dang! It was a butterfly, Tim.
You need to practice.
It was a butterfly. I'm gonna have some practice this next weekend. Yeah, we got a big dove hunt coming up next week. Is it coming? No. $99, $100 I think, for it all goes to the CCRC.
Okay.
$100, man. I mean, that's a great dove hunt, barbecue plate, fellowship with some cool guys like myself.
Guys only, or?
No, I'm pretty
Girls
sure
too.
girls are allowed too. I was very sexist just now. I'm sure it's going to be good because old Sam Rhodes, he's the guy to contact. You need to see Sam Rhodes for further details.
Sam Rose for further details.
You know who Sam is, right? Kind of big guy.
Oh, really?
Handlebar.
Big guy.
Well,
Handlebar mustache.
you want to be careful. If really big, his wife's a cop.
Oh.
Yeah, you don't want to say it.
Sorry, Sam.
No, yeah, that's good. That's good.
Don't scare me like this.
It was just, it jumped out of those trees, but it's darn scissor tails. September 22nd, next Saturday.
What time is that?
2 o'clock. We're going to be there at 2 o'clock.
So, if I want to participate in this dove hunt next weekend, I need to talk to Sam.
Yeah, we need to talk to Sam. There's a release form you got to fill out.
So what else is going on this week?
Man, you just check your bulletin, man.
Behind you.
Come together right now over me.
What happened? Did Ira shoot me? Dadgummit.